Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at Christian Dior eyeglasses model DiorSpiritO in color code 001. The color of the frame is black, and on its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a square shape. On its temples, you'll find the Christian Dior logo in gold. On both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Christian Dior logo and the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll again find the Christian Dior logo, and under its temple is the model name, which is DiorSpiritO-SI. The dimensions of the frame: 57 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Dior gift box, a Dior case, and a gray Dior cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, make sure to check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.